Hi, it's Miracle here. So today we're gonna discuss on the topic ping issues. It's pretty common that in India or any other countries with poor internet connection or any provider like BSNL, we are getting ping issues on Counter-Strike Global Offensive servers. So there are some key points which you need to remember. First things, check out if you are on Windows 10. On Windows 10, the Windows auto updates the system. So please try to Google out how to force stop Windows updating because it eats the bandwidth and therefore there are ping delivery delays and issues. So that's the first thing. Just Google out how to stop for the Windows downloads or updates and cancel if there's any ongoing update. Second thing is follow what I'm gonna be doing right now. So you need to open run. Windows 10 or Windows 8.1 users can press Windows plus R, and Windows 7 and XP users know by pressing start and clicking on run, they are gonna be getting the option. So click on registry editor, type in regedit and press enter. Okay, minimize this thing. Now again click on run, type in services.msc. Open this. Now attempt to find out background intelligent transfer service. Open this, click on stop. Startup type should be manual, and if possible you can disable it. I'll be clicking on manual because right now my Windows is updating and I don't have any issue with that, but when you're playing or something, click on disabled and stop, and then okay, apply and okay. After this, close it, click on registry editor, go to high key local, just wait a second, high key local, then the system, current control set, services, now find out TCP IP. Here it is, TCP IP. Then click on parameters, then scroll down, check in for interfaces. Yeah, here you are. Now you must be having a screen like this. Click on these options. After this, there must be a subfolder in which there are as many of these settings like DHCP, gateway, etc., lease obtained time, name server, etc. So here our main process goes. Once I'll wait for 2-3 minutes, 5 to 6 seconds for you. Okay, click on right click, new, do a 32-bit value and type in TCP ACK frequency. Press enter, double click it. The base value should be on hexadecimal and the value data should be 1. Then press OK. Again new, do a 32-bit value, TCP, no delay, enter, hexadecimal base and the value should be 1. Make sure you're writing the same value which I'm typing, and also the name should be exactly no uppercases, no lowercases different than mine. So once you're done, minimize this, open your control panel, once you're into the control panel, click on programs, turn Windows feature on and off. Click here, let the screen load all the data. Then you should search for Microsoft Message Queue, MSMQ. So expand that, then expand all the subqueries inside it. Now tick everything. Okay, make sure you're clicking everything. Check it and press on OK. Now just wait for the Windows feature to apply the changes, then we can continue. Just few more minutes. I'm sorry about my voice because my microphone is not working well and I have to opt with the inbuilt microphone in my laptop. So I'm really sorry with that. I hope I'll be fixing this in my next videos. So kindly bear with me. These systems, you can't really trust on them. You can never. Just waiting few more minutes and that would be closed. It might take time, it might not, depending on your system, how much load it has. See, my Windows is updating, that's why this is the problem. But make sure if your Windows is updating, then you should be cancelling the updates or force stop it or delete the updated files. Okay, now we'll open Registry Editor, go back up. Now in this we're gonna be clicking high key local machine, then software. Browse down to Microsoft, open it, then go down, look out for MSMQ. Over here, MSMQ, open it, click on parameters. Here we are. Now right click and click on new. Do a 32-bit value, TCP, no delay. You're gonna add this again over here, TCP no delay. Open it. The base should be hexadecimal and the value should be 1. Press OK. Close it. Now open run command prompt. Once you're into command prompt, you need to type a command. So the command should be netsh int TCP set global congestion provider equal to ctcp. Now just hold on for a minute. So listen, the command netsh int TCP set global congestion provider is equal to ctcp should be working only for guys on Windows XP and Windows 7. So this should be only typed by those people who are on Windows 7 and Windows XP. There is an alternative procedure for Windows 8 and Windows 10 which I'm gonna be explaining you in few minutes. So those who are on Windows 7 and Windows XP, type this. Copy it in the notepad so that you can see it well. Come on. This is the code. netsh int tcp set global congestion provider is equal to ctcp. So after typing this, press enter. Only those people who are on Windows XP and Windows 7. As I am on Windows 10, this is not going to work. I'll be showing you what's the command and what's the procedure to work on Windows 10 now. Okay, hi, I'm back. So this setting, I have a download file which you need to download, but this is only for Windows 8 and Windows 10 users. So here is the file, the link is in the description. Run it. This should have been added to a registry. Now once it is added to a registry, please restart your PC. If you do not restart your PC, then this is not going to work. So restart your PC. As I have already run this file back in my testing time and I have restarted my PC, so this is going to work for me. But for you guys, you need to restart your PC after installing this. So once you are done with this, open your command prompt, copy this, set supplemental congestion provider is equal to ctcp, paste this. Once you are pasting this, copy this, netsh interface tcp show global. So after this, you're gonna see add-on congestion control provider is ctcp. If this is occurring, then consider that your problem is solved and the ping issues might be fixed. But remember, this is only for Windows 8 and 10. For Windows 7 and Windows XP, the code have been given 2-3 minutes back. Let me just remind you the code. The code was netsh int tcp set global congestion provider is equal to ctcp. This one is only for Windows XP and 7. So after doing these steps, if you have any issues in your ping, then please comment down. So before concluding, I'd like to point out some key reasons. First of all, open the task manager, look at performance. Click in here, something is using my data. So for that, open resource monitor, see if what kind of things are using your data. If you can find out, then please do close them. If you're not able to do that, or if it is something like svc host.exe netsvcs, then follow a step which I'm going to show you now. First, open registry editor, regedit. Then you should be going into key local machine, then system, then current control set. Inside that, you need to find out services, then scroll down over to bits, bits. Once you are into bits, click on the start option. The base should be hexadecimal and the value should be 4. 4 means disabled for auto start. 4 means yeah, and the delayed auto start should be 0. Sorry, I can misinterpreted some things, but just forget it. The start should be at 4 and delay auto start should be at 0. Once you are done with this, close that. Open services.msc. You can type into the run command services.msc and press enter. Now over here, find out background intelligent transfer service. It should be startup should be disabled, and the service status should be on stop. Once it is stopped, You can check out your task manager. The performance should be at 0 kbps. That's it. Now you can play CSGO well, but make sure to do this process each time when you're attempting to turn on CSGO, because due to some Windows update, we cannot stop the auto searching of the updates. That's why this is a problem in Windows 10. If you have great issues of ping, for example, 1000 ms or 800 ms, kindly comment up. I'll try to help. And just don't forget to follow the steps. Try to watch the video once again and confirm what you're going to be doing. Let me just point out some main thing. For example, Windows 10 users need to download a file and then run a separate command, which I'm going to be giving in the description, while Windows 7 needs to type another command which is also going to be in the description. But if you don't want to go all over there, just look out into my video. The commands are also into the video so that you can understand it. So basically what we are messing up in Windows 10 is due to some auto updates and other features. We have some priority set towards the inbuilt services. Therefore we need to eliminate that before running CSGO. Apart from that, there's nothing which we can do. Now for another half to an hour you can play CSGO, but if those things occur, I'll request you to go to Windows 8 or Windows 7, because that won't be a problem in Windows 7 if you disable updates. At last, subscribe to me, like and comment below. Subscribing me is free of cost. That would help me out. Thanks. Good day.